On August 6, 1945, during World War II, an American bomber dropped the world's first deployed atomic bomb over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The explosion immediately killed an estimated of 80,000 people. Tens of thousands more would later die due to radiation exposure. 3 days later, a second bomber deployed another atomic bomb on Nagasaki, killing an estimated 40,000 people. Following the events, Japan's Emperor Hirohito announced his country's unconditional surrender in World War II in a radio address on August 15th.
This horrific event showed the inconceivable power of the atomic bomb. But how does it get all that power? The first atomic bomb was created through the Manhattan Project, which started in 1940. The project's funding from the US government was allocated in hopes of developing their own atomic weapons, as they were concerned Germany was doing the same.
In these weapons of mass destruction, there are specific mechanical components used to inflict a scientific reaction, which make the explosions occur. The first step in generating the reaction of a nuclear explosion is the gun assembly method. This is when a conventional chemical explosion pushes two pieces of very reactive uranium together. The second step is implosion. This occurs when the gun assembly method explodes around the plutonium core, compressing it even further, which then creates the final massive explosion. This process is all made possible because of the scientific reaction achieved through fission.
The massive destructive power that these nukes hold are derived from the process of fission. Fission is when a neutron splits the nucleus of another atom, causing a massive reaction. As scientists researched fission, they discovered the most destructive power could be achieved through variations of uranium and plutonium. Although a singular incidence of fission is powerful, the true power of the atomic bomb comes into fruition through nuclear fission. This process occurs in nukes when those first nuclei are split. However, it does not end there. After the split neutrons from the nucleus are shot out, creating more fission. This is called a chain reaction and continues to repeat in fractions of a second to fuel the sheer destructive ability of the atomic bomb. It is vital to understand the destructive properties of nuclear bombs achieved through fission and how the immense power takes place, so that its research can be used for good rather than the destruction of the world as we know it.